Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make duck stock. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange about 2 pounds of duck bones, along with roughly 1 cup of chopped carrots, celery, and onions on a baking sheet. Roast these ingredients for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until they are deeply golden brown. This crucial step develops a rich, complex flavor that is essential for an exceptional duck stock. Once roasted, carefully transfer all the ingredients into a large stock pot. Cover them with cold water, ensuring the water level is about 2 inches above the solids. Add 1 bay leaf and about 10 whole black peppercorns to the pot. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, then reduce the heat to low. As the stock simmers, regularly skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface. This keeps your stock clear and clean. Allow the stock to gently simmer for a minimum of 3 to 4 hours, or even longer for a more intense flavor. After simmering, carefully strain the stock through a fine mesh sieve, discarding the solids. Once strained, it's important to cool your duck stock quickly. You can do this by placing the pot in an ice bath. Once completely cool, transfer the stock to airtight containers. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or you can freeze it for up to 3 months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.